everybody, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button. Not 1, not 2, not 3, and not 4. No, actually, yes, we're playing Don't Press the Button 4. And it seems like here, one door is correct and the other is not. That's just disappointing, man. You can't just kill a man like that. I'm just gonna keep on following these guys. This guy knows what I think. I'm just gonna follow all these other guys. Oh, I don't think I made it. Press the button. Oh, what happened? Why does it say ew? Oh, chosen one. Angie Beauty is the chosen one. That's nice. Watch out, a giant black hole. Where is the giant black hole? I don't see it. Oh, is that it? Okay, that's the lamest. You know what? I don't even want to do this. Guess what? I don't even want to do this. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna stay here to press the button. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Because this door thing is trash, okay? The whole door thing is garbage and I hate it. So I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna stay here and press the button. No, you're not gonna press the button. Back out. Back out of here. Focus. Who pressed the button? I did it. Banana! We're in banana suits, seems like. Back out! Let me press the button. Oh wow, everybody's just ganging up on the button. I'm just gonna gang up with them too. Move out the way, you little blue guy. When is this gonna finish? I don't wanna be a banana anymore. It's me, look at me. I have a statue of myself. That's kinda weird. Press the button. Is it green? Press it. These noobs. Oh, it's giant potatoes. It's giant potatoes. What happened there? Take it. Huh? Oh, that's just horrible. Make it! I did it! Did I make it? Yes, I did it! What type of music do we have here? I like this. I like these sounds that this game makes. Reach the top. Why? Is there like any? Oh gosh! Wait, what was that? I just. What's the point, man? What am I gonna get if I reach the top, huh? Am I gonna get the grand prize? They just disappear. Okay, what's gonna happen if I don't reach the exit? Okay. I'm at the lead. What is this? Oh, I'm supposed to climb these? Oh man, that was just horrible. Oh, I'm back here. Perfect. I still have another chance to reach the exit. No, this music is too loud. It's still extremely loud. Okay, there we go. Winners, only one person made it. Let's just back off. Back off! Oh my gosh! It's the leaderboard making me trip. You know what's making me not jump? Where's the camera? Avoid the rockets. Oh gosh, stop. This is so annoying. No, 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 no. Whoa. I just stayed right by a rocket there. That's kind of scary. You know what? I'm just gonna stay. Oh, I died. That's just great. I'm dead now. Don't press the button. Oh, he's down there, that green guy. Are the rockets gonna end? Finally. Oh, to the other side. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me right now? I'm gonna make it. Yes, I did it. I did it. I'm a winner like you. Yes, sir. You're just really risking your life. Who's the button presser? Higher walk speed. Where is he? Avoid the. Dang it. More rockets, it seems like. Pro. I'm a pro. I'm just a pro. I'm just a pro. I just was this way, I just was this way. I definitely didn't die earlier because of the same thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what's going on? These rockets are lagging my game so much. And that's why I hate rockets. This guy's just staying in his... They're just staying in the same place. Now we're done. Money! Money! I like money. Money! I'm gonna be the button presser this time. Believe it or not. Come on. Yes, I pressed the button. No! I'm gonna be grilled. Oh, so if you're over there, you start dying. That makes a lot of sense. Who pressed the button? Oh no, I'm being grilled. I was the button presser. Look at me down there. I was the button presser. And I died because I pressed the button. Sorry, the microphone was just making a lot of noises. It was definitely not me raging and smacking it. It's just the microphone. So, what happens if I just walk out? Oh, there's just a barrier that prevents you. Wait, so if you're down there, you're just lucky? I guess so. This was so easy. Why did I lose, man? This is just garbage. I thought it was some sort of obstacle course. Ew. Why do you keep pressing the button, my man? You're just making things that are ewy. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. We're going really fast. Gotta go fast. We're going really fast. I'm so fast, everybody. Look at me. Look at me run this red light. Is this even a red light? Is this just a pole with another pole sideways on it? That's really nice. But I still gotta go fast. I still gotta go fast. Fast and speedy. Fast and speedy. I'm going fast, really fast. When is this gonna finish? I hate this. Come on. I'm waiting for it. Yes, I'm the button presser. Who was that? Oh, this guy. I'm the button presser. Quickly get to the top. Why? What's gonna happen if I don't? Am I gonna die? I don't know. I'm just gonna do it. The game, the floor is lava. I mean, I'm at the top now, so there's no reason to fear. Am I talking really? Okay, now I think now my voice is a bit more clear. What's going on? Hey, I'm surviving. Yay, I'm surviving. driving. Why can't I turn my camera? Avoid the boulders. Or should I be scared? I'm not gonna be hurt because of a boulder. Oh my gosh, how? I didn't touch that. What do you mean? I hate this game. This game actually like sucks. Brody Bear, oh my gosh, how is this guy still surviving? Come on, yes, everybody's dead. That's perfect. I'm the button presser again. I pressed the button multiple times in a row. That's nice. Watch out, why? Oh, I just walked right into that. Come on, man, that's not cool. You're just killing us like that. A storm? No, I'm not gonna fall for your storm, alright? I'm not gonna be falling for your storm. Where's the storm anyways? I can't even see the storm. Yeah, so look, I'm not falling for it. I'm not falling for this trap. Get to the ground, why? This is literally epic mini games. Oh gosh, but a bit harder. Oh wow, that guy just is dead. Or get to the ground. I'm in the ground. That's perfect. Ow. You ready to press the button? Press the button. Watch out. Oh gosh, you're gonna die. Huh? What's wrong? Oh. Avoid the boulders, okay. No, this game's just bad. It's just mean. It's just, hacker sort of stuff. I'm still remaining. I'm one of the remaining people. No, why did I just walk out? Come on, man. I hate mobile. That's why. Why did I choose to be a mobile YouTuber? I should have just been a PC YouTuber. I don't have a computer. That's the thing. You're not allowed to press the button. I'm the only one who should press the button. Oh, I froze time. Oh, except for that guy. That guy isn't frozen. A storm. Look, I'm not falling for it again. Alright, I'm not falling for it. It's really easy to avoid this storm that you're giving me. Reach the top. Oh gosh. I just got annihilated. No, I am determined to reach the top. I'm just gonna keep on walking. And I'm not gonna stop. No. What was that? Oh, come on. Okay. It's like a conveyor belt. Does it move me? Like, am I forced to be moving? Really, you know what? I don't even want to be a rainbow. I just want to be a cloud. Oh my gosh, the camera. What if I do it in first person? Okay, then nothing changed if I do it. Knowledge. Yeah, I like it. It's gonna blow up. I know, it's gonna blow up. Don't even try. I know that it's gonna blow up. Okay, one more. Okay, I'm gonna do this last challenge and I'm gonna wrap up the video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And let me know what you want to play in the comments down below. Are the comments even on? I don't know. Whatever. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to share this video. And yeah, I guess see you later. Oh no, there are boulders.